Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will work with the various graphical reports. Graphical reports are new in Project 2013. They show project information in charts and tables. They are easy to run and you can quickly edit them to show the information you. Let's take a quick look at the types of the reports you can run. On the Report tab, click on Dashboard. And there is a burn down report, and that shows the work that you have completed and compared to the plan, as well as the number of tasks you have completed compared to what you have to do. Also in the dashboards, you have different overview reports like the cost, project, work, and the upcoming tasks. In the resources category, you can see over-allocated resources or you can get a resource overview. The resource stats chart on the left here is really helpful. The gray line shows the baselines of the work assigned to the different resources. Then the blue bar is actual work and the orange bar the remaining work. But here you can see that slacked bar shows that the work for the project manager is higher than the baseline. Go to the Reports tab and click on Costs and see the different types of cost reports like cash flow, cost overruns, and the earned value reports. In progress, you have the reports like critical tasks in your project, tasks that run late compared to the status date, milestones, and slipping tasks. Running a report couldn't be easier. On the Report tab, you can click on the category, in this case costs, and then choose the report you want, like the earned value report. Or if you ran a report recently, just click the recent and click on OK. After you run a report, you can edit it. So for example, to edit this chart, just click it and then you see this field task, field list task pane appears on the right side of the window. You should also notice that there are some extra tabs on the ribbon. These are Chart Tools tab, and that's because you have a chart selected. The Design tab has things like chart styles, colors, and even adding an element to the chart. You can also turn this field list task pane on and off in the Show Hide selection by clicking Chart Data. The Format tab has more formatting things, so you can format the different parts of the chart. You can change the colors and the shapes and the text. In the Field List task pane for existing chart, you shall see tasks and resources, and one of them will be highlighted. The earned value chart is a task-oriented chart. That's why tasks is green and bold. The next thing is the category, and it sets to time here, and that's because the chart has the time along the x-axis. You can edit that. Just click the edit button and you can change the date format. So let's say I want this to be a little bit smaller. So I'll say January. So here it is. Now you can see the date range has changed and the date format is a little bit easier to read. On the other hand, if I go to the resources and choose the resource overview, this resource stats chart, you can see the category's name. That's because The resource names appear along the x-axis. This chart, that three fields shown here, the actual work, the remaining work, and the baselines. If you look in the select fields list, you can see the baseline work is turned on. The check mark is there. If I scroll down, you can see the actual work and the remaining work. So here is the remaining work and the actual work are both checked. So if you want to add a remove field from the chart, you just turn on a checkbox or turn it off. For example, let's say I want to add the work variance. So I'll click on this. One thing you'll notice is that the fields are grouped by the data type. So for example, if you want to see the cost fields, just click this triangle and you will see the cost fields here. To hide them, just click it and it collapses again. You can also filter what you see. So let's go to the slipping tasks report. That's in the in progress section. Now when I click this table, these are the slipping tasks, and you can see at the filtered down, here is the slipping tasks. So you can choose the filter that you want. You can also group just like you can in the view. Say you want to group in by resources name. So when you run a task oriented report, you can also choose the outline level. Let's go over to the dashboard and choose the project overview. Here you can see that this chart, the outline level is level 1. So here is the level 1. So all you see are the top level tasks. On the other hand, if I click this table, so the late tasks, you can see the outline level is set to all tasks. So to choose a level, click the down arrow and choose the level that you want. Finally, you can also sort a report. Let's look at the cost overruns. I'm going to select this table and you can see that it's sorted by cost variance. So it shows the highest variance at the top and then it goes down from there. Graphical reports make it easier to look at your project from different perspectives. If a built-in report doesn't show what you want, you can select a chart or the table and customize it to display the information you are looking for. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.